Okay, so another question. What comes in your mind when you hear the word cryptocurrency? Okay po, again, we can use the chat box. Okay. Okay, investment. And then merong nagsagot, sugal. Sugal daw. And then digital money, online money, networking. Ayan, digital currency, financial currency, trading. Okay. Tama, no? Maganda ito kasi nakikita ko kung saan kayo nakabuild ng inyong knowledge, no, ng cryptocurrency. Meron nagbabanggit trading. Tama? So dito sa Pilipinas, most of us really very biased tayo in terms of defining the cryptocurrency. Pag binanggit mong crypto, ang verb nun lagi trading. Diba? Ang verb nun trading. So, ano ba ito, si cryptocurrency? So, cryptocurrency is a digital currency. Okay? Pero, na-introduce sa atin, pag binanggit din si crypto, Bitcoin lagi. Okay, crypto, Bitcoin yan. Okay, so meron nakalagay dyan sa screen niyo, Bitcoin is cryptocurrency, but cryptocurrency is not Bitcoin. Okay, I hope that is clear. Kasi si Bitcoin is just one of the cryptocurrencies that we have. Sumikat siya kasabay ng pagsikat ng word na cryptocurrency because siya yung kauna-unahang nagawa. Okay? Na cryptocurrency, and this one introduced by Satoshi Nakamoto, no? And although actually hanggang ngayon yung crypto world is really not so sure about the history of cryptocurrency, kasi may question din doon kung talaga bang si Nakamoto ang nakapag-introduce ng Bitcoin. No, there's a really a question sa history ng cryptocurrency, especially the Bitcoin. Yan. And we all know yung history naman, 'di ba? Past yun 'di ba? And the only thing we can do in history is not to perfect a certain history, and that is only to improve a certain history. So up to now, syempre, cryptocurrency gained a popularity, no, across the world. So magkakaroon na yan ng mga research na gagawin, especially yung mga iba't ibang bansa. Pagka ginagawa na nila ng batas yung bawat mga cryptocurrencies na papasok sa particular country. Okay?